Good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon, I am going to teach you how to find the missing side of a triangle using the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem only applies on a right triangle. It has a formula of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In a right triangle, the opposite of the angle is called the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, and the other two sides are the legs. I have a problem here. This is the triangle. A right triangle contains 90 degrees. The opposite side is the missing, which is the hypotenuse. So let's find the size or the length of the missing side of the hypotenuse. And the given side of each leg is 8 and 6. Now, let's use the formula, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Let's substitute the value of each leg. 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. 36 plus 64 equals c squared. So 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Then, to find the value of c or the hypotenuse, we will going to square root both sides. So the square root of 100 is equal to 10. So now we all know that the value of the hypotenuse or the length of the hypotenuse is 10. Now, I have another example. Here is a right triangle, which is the missing side is the A. The leg A is the missing, so we will find its leg using its formula, which is c squared minus b squared is equal to a squared. Let's substitute its value. C is equivalent to 5 and b is equivalent to 3. So b squared minus 3 squared is equal to a squared. 5 squared is equal to 25 minus 3 squared is equal to 9. Then 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Then to find its value, let's square root both sides to find the value of A or the leg A. So the square root of 16 is 4. Now we'll have the value of leg A, which is 4. Now we will be solving this right triangles using the TOA. So means sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, while co is cosine is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and TOA is tangent is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Now, to understand and to solve easily the TOA, I will explain to you how to determine where is the hypotenuse, the adjacent, and the opposite sides. This triangle is a right triangle. The angle, which is 90 degrees, the opposite side of its angle is called the hypotenuse. Now, this angle, which is not the angle 90 degrees, its opposite side, which is here, the arrow pointed, is the opposite side. Then, this side is called the adjacent, beside the angle 90 degrees. Now we can now solve the TOA. because we already know the position located, the hypotenuse, adjacent, and the opposite side. First, the SOH, which is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite side is equivalent to 4. This is the opposite side. 4. Now, this is the sine. Sine is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So the opposite side is 4 over the hypotenuse, which is 5. So sine is equal to 4 over 5. Now the cosine. Cosine means adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is the adjacent, which is 3 over the hypotenuse, which is 5. So cosine value is 3 over 5. And lastly, the tangent value. Tangent is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. The opposite side is equal to 4. And the adjacent value is 3. So the tangent is now equal to 4 over 3. And that's all. Thank you.